What's up, everybody? Jerry with Dip and Nip Trading coming back at you with another video. Going to be talking about Venco Ventures Incorporated, or ticker symbol BBIG. Going to be jumping into some technicals. Going to be kind of giving you guys an update on that, and also going to be giving you guys an update on the Ortex data, so you guys kind of know where it stands in terms of the the current shares out on loan, and plus that short interest percentage. But before I get started, please don't forget to hit that like and smash that subscribe button down at the bottom of the screen. Helps people find the content and the channel, and helps continue to grow the rest of the community for the Dip and Rip Trading channel. So on the day, BBIG finished at $4.37, was pretty much in a consolidation phase from kind of what I was looking at. Was pretty much trading sideways up and down all day, within this channel. So finished down 7 cents, 1.58% on the day, and then was up 5 cents, 1.14% in the after hours, and finished that after hours at $4.42. Now, what I want to kind of dive into is on the 5-minute, MACD he's getting ready to converge across that signal line on the 5-minute. So we might see a green day tomorrow. In the interim, it's also starting to hit that peak phase. Now, again, this is all during after hours. So if pre-market is green, it wouldn't surprise me to see people start selling off at market open just to secure profits. We do have some bullish divergence as well on the 30 minutes. So if you look from the last 2 days, it's kind of trading sideways, but the RSI is trending up. So that is an indication of potential bullish momentum coming up. What I'd like to see also is this MACD. Now, the last few times that the MACD has crossed when it's had a pretty massive run on the weekly, it's been after roughly about 5 weeks. We're in week 3, so I would estimate another 2 weeks we might see another run up to this $10, $12 range, maybe even higher than that. So it's all a matter of establishing, and basing and setting new foundation for this thing, especially when the short squeeze potential is still there. And on that note, I do want to jump over to that. I will say if we do get a run up tomorrow, look out for resistance around 453. And then at 453 should bring us like 465 or so. And then if we break 465, look for 478. So keep an eye out for those if we do get that run up. Ideally, if we can break that 200 EMA that's right around 48 should bring us $5. So if we can break over that, it would not surprise me for us to see 450 plus, or excuse me, $5 plus tomorrow. Let's see, Ortex, let me jump over there. So on the Ortex data, so we had a net short interest change of 4.2%. 275 return versus 2.02 borrowed against, for a net borrow change of 1.75 million borrowed against BBIG today. Current short interest percent of the free float is 37.35%. Over the last pretty much ever since the start of this thing, I mean, short interest percent of the free float continues to go up. The amount of shares short continues to go up. Cost to borrow minimum is at 66%. Cost to borrow max is over 250% there. Cost to borrow average is just under 118. Utilization is almost maxed out at 99.97%. Cost to borrow is up 13%. Days to cover is up almost 5. Shares on loan is up 6. Free float on loan is up 6. Estimated percent of the short interest free float is up 18.5. And then the exchange report shortage is up 12.62. So all those numbers are continuing to climb. And it's indicative of the price action. I mean, you guys can see this thing is just being laddered down, and it has been, pretty much since it had its initial run, when it was up near that $9 range. So, this thing was just getting beat down and stair step down. I mean, you can see it here, just this natural stair step. And then obviously I would expect some people started to cover, which led to this running up. And then they stair stepped us down again, and now we're consolidating. So consolidation is good. A lot of people think it's weakness. It's actually a sign of strength. It's just establishing a new foundation before we can start to go back up. So keep an eye on it. I'm definitely going to have my eye on this, especially because it's trading at such a good price right now. I mean, I remember when people were getting in at, $6-7 and they were thinking it was, a solid deal. So, yeah, I mean, $4 for BBIG is definitely solid, definitely a bargain. So if you're not in it, I'd look to get in. I mean, we're at the lowest it's been for quite some time. Pretty much since, when was this? August. So 3 months is the lowest it's been in 3 months. So definitely a good time to buy in for sure. But yeah, that'll pretty much wrap it up for this. And yeah, I'll see you guys on the next one. Later.